Okay, we have a worksheet here to help us get ready for an exam, an assessment, a quiz, whatever you want to call it. Um, and depending on the course, the material, how much you've been struggling with it, it can take you up to 2 weeks to get ready for a test. Now, don't let that, you know, uh, worry you too much because a lot of it's, what you would probably have done in the past called homework, or you would have called um, just reading over your notes or something. So that's part of the study process that we're going to put together here on this worksheet. So what this does is just make sure that you spread out the material over extended period of time, 1 to 2 weeks, and this is just to basically help. You would use this for each test that you would have coming up for every class, and you would just kind of set up your preliminary, meaning any kind of homework or assignments that you have to deal with, the learning of the material, which is where you're actually trying to put you know understand it and put it to memory by whatever process you've been using to learn the material. Practicing it, meaning taking practice tests. I mentioned in the past that you can create practice test questions as part of your note taking, as part of your learning process, where you kind of write down test questions as you go along. And now would be a time to get those out and start using them during the practice time. And of course, if you have a group meeting or group sessions, you want to put that in here. So you know sometimes you're learning new material as you're getting closer to the test, and so that doesn't mean that you can't start studying though, because if the test is on maybe 3 chapters, you can definitely at least start with the earlier chapters, right? So this is just a way for you to kind of map it out in your brain, start making a plan, so that you kind of start learning the material over the long run. And that's really all this is. It looks like a lot of work, but it's just this is a quick overview that you're really just putting together to give yourself kind of a big picture getting ready for the test.